How to get value from YouTube, from social media. There is a saying that these days, what you buy with your money, it reaches a time when it controls you. You buy your phone with your money, but it reaches a time when it's controlling you. You are wasting time swiping here, up and down. But today, I want to strategically share with you how I get value from YouTube. I don't know what you want, but I'm very sure that this is something that you want in your life. We are so lucky these days that whatever that we are looking for, it's on social media. You just need to be selective whom you are following to assess what you are learning from them so that you can create your life, you can create your way of living independently. This is how I use YouTube for my goodness in my life. I can take time digesting someone's content. I'm selective. I'm not saying that you will follow everyone. So if you are following everyone every day, where will you get time to finish all of them? So you just need to be selective depending on what you are interested in. Me, I'm a writer who is writing about philosophy, non-fiction. So I know what I'm looking for from different people. So I can take time trying to assess the content that I'm getting from a YouTuber. If I get the result using the strategy that I'm getting from that guy, I create what we call a playlist. The button is there in YouTube. You create a playlist. I put it in a private. So what I do, whenever I see his video, I just put it in that playlist. In my time, it doesn't mean that because the video was created yesterday, I rush to see it. I use my own time to go because I saved it in the playlist. Then I sit with a book to summarize the way how I have understood what I've studied from that YouTuber, from that content creator that I trusted. So you need two strategies. You need to take time reading someone's content. It's like assessing how valuable it is to you. The way how you are seeing this video, you might say that, yeah, this guy has some reasoning in what he is saying. Let me save this video. So you put in the playlist. In your own time, you have to understand. I ask myself that, okay, whatever that you are learning, what are you getting from it? Have you understood it? If my mind is not trying to understand what I'm reading, I do not waste my time to watch it. I will throw it, then I come back the next day. But the strategy is to figure out good content from social media. You create a playlist. So it is like the way how university people are given packages, right? That we are giving you this package, you will go in your house and read it. So here you are having the direct, you learn what you're going to do. Maybe you want to learn how to use a camera. You can see a video that is having the quality of what you're looking for. You put it in the playlist. Also when you like a video, YouTube will do a good thing. It will put it for you in the video that you liked. You can put it in what you will watch later. But for me, if to respect that content from that guy, I create a playlist so that at any time I'll be visiting my playlist to be selective on what I'm going to learn. These days I'm learning about trading, and I'm learning much from ICT. What I do, he can make a live when I'm busy with other things, but I know very well that what he is bringing that day is valuable to me. So I'll put his video in the playlist. In my time, I'll go back and I get a book, a pen, listen, watch to understand. When I feel like my head is tired of understanding, digesting, we can call it digesting. When you feel like you are not digesting, you need to stop. You need to get a break. Why do you waste your time while you don't understand what you are seeing? You rather take a break. Or I can use another strategy. When I feel like that I'm tired of watching a certain type of content, because me, I enjoy many things on YouTube here. I can be learning about writing from Mr. Nicholas Cole. Then I learn something about trading from Mr. ICT. Then I can go and learn about business from Mr. Dan Ko. Then I can learn again on a business about Alex Hamosi. So I'm having all those playlists in my YouTube channel. So at the end of the day, I'm thinking that I'm getting much than those content creators, because I'm compiling their content, then I digest one by one. So when it reaches like 5 years or 3 years or 2 years, think about whom I will be. I'm the guy who used to fear the camera, to speak on the camera. But because I'm learning from many people how they do it, I'm learning much. You can learn about self-esteem, sense of self, confidence, logic, charisma, authenticity from YouTube, of which maybe if you had gone to the university, you could have not get it from there. That we are lucky now. Everything is with us. It's about you to figure out what you want. Then you go on the social media, you search for it. You set your mind that I want to learn this. Why you want to learn it also is a genuine reason you must be with, because if you value why you want to learn something, the focus that you'll be putting in, even if it's hard, you will continue learning it. Trading is not easy, but because I know that if I master those skills, a strategy on how to trade, I'll be living financially independent. What do you think about that strategy on how to learn from YouTube? Let's meet in another video. This video also might be helpful to you. I request you to watch it. Bye bye.